Hi friends. I'm not showing my face, but I'm going to show you what I've been doing. I pulled up sweet potatoes. I didn't get much. This is the first time I've grown sweet potatoes in this small of a space. And like this one is rotten. But it was crammed into one of the little squares. So it was probably just sitting in a bunch of water. And the holes inside of the container, even though there was wood originally underneath here, wood is gone, and the sweet potatoes grew through the wood. So, but that's what's going on in my garden today. See you next time. Have a blessed day. Bye.